Today we will prepare together a delicious dish of tuna and olive spaghetti, combining the freshness of the sea with the bold flavor of black olives. Ingredients: 320 grams of spaghetti, 200 grams of tuna in oil, preferably of good quality, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, a handful of black olives, preferably pitted, chopped parsley, salt, and if you like a spicy touch, chili pepper. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Use about 10 grams of salt for every liter of water so the pasta will be well flavored. Add the spaghetti and cook them following the package instructions, but drain them 1 minute before the indicated time as they will continue to cook slightly in the pan. Meanwhile, heat 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. The oil should be of good quality with a fruity and intense flavor to enhance the taste of the dish. Add a slightly crushed clove of garlic to release its essential oils. If you like it spicy, add some fresh chili pepper cut into thin slices or powder. Sauté the garlic until golden, but be careful not to burn it, as it could become bitter. When the garlic is golden, remove it from the pan, unless you like to leave it in for a more intense flavor. Add the well-drained tuna to the pan. Cook the tuna over medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, gently breaking it up with a fork. This helps to better distribute the tuna in the seasoning and to absorb the flavored oil. Add a handful of black olives, pitted and cut into small pieces, to the pan. You can use Tagliasca or Gaeta olives for a more authentic flavor. Cook everything for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring well to evenly distribute the olives and blend the flavors. If the pan looks too dry, add a ladle of pasta cooking water to create an emulsion and better bind the sauce. When the spaghetti are ready, drain them, reserving some cooking water. Transfer them immediately to the pan with the seasoning. Raise the heat slightly and toss the spaghetti for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring continuously and adding some of the reserved cooking water if necessary, until the pasta is well blended with the sauce. Turn off the heat and add some fresh chopped parsley. You can also add some grated lemon zest for a touch of freshness and acidity. Mix well and serve the tuna and olive spaghetti immediately on warm plates to best enjoy the flavors. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. This dish is perfect for a simple but tasty meal, and you can add desalted capers or cherry tomatoes for an extra touch of savoriness or sweetness.